Awusuka madoda bathi adla impofu bafowethu idla ukudla kwayo. Ayisuka madoda siyawina ezami madoda. Siyawina ezami bafana khohlwa. Ayikhohlwa bafana. Khosi Nation. Ayikhohlwa bafana. Yabona kunomdlali bafethu which I feel like we don't give him enough credit. We don't give him enough credit bafethu. Duduzi Shabalala. Yabona ngisasho namanje bafethu. Yabona lo mdlali loyana le season le yakhe. Ngiyakutshela mina. Yabo le season le ayakho umduba bafana. Eyakho umduba bafana usazowagqilaza ama defender. Yabona umdu ayisazowagqilaza ama defender bafana. Usazowagqilaza u defender number 10 mina ngiyakutshela. Ngiyakutshela bafethu usazowagqilaza number 10. I feel like lo mfana we're not giving him enough credit yabo because right now usuwinile and abadlali abahype laba abanye basemaceleni. But mfethu iimpact atena egamini umfana. Hayi bafana hayi. Ayimduduzi Shabalala bafana. Ngiyanitshela mina kuzoba isizini yakhe le. Yabo le ayisizini yakhe bafana ngenzeka ukuthi akakabi na assist angabi na goal kodwa ngiyasho manje mina isaqala isizini. Yabo kule season lo mdusha balala akuzoba inkinga bafana. Uzoba omunye mfethu weyinkinga kwikhosi. Ebadlalini bekhosi abayingozi. Umdu uzoba omunye wabo bafana ngiyanitshela mina. Angiyanitshela nizobona. Bese ngiza Aiden Makhadi. Man of the match bafana. Solid bafowethu solid lapha emuva hayi bafana hayi but bafethu I'm worried Aiden Makhadi bafethu I feel like sizosheshe simluze bafethu ikhosi Aiden Makhadi angimboni bafethu ehlala more than 2 seasons kwiKaizer. I'm sorry to break this down bafethu but nje I don't see bafethu equality njengoMakhadi ihlala isikhathi eside kwiKaizer kuzokwenzeka njengaku Blom akahlala ngesikhathi eside kwiKaizer bafethu. Abo Aiden Makhadi ngiyakutshela ile season noma ukuphela le season noma season ezayo nje lapho hayi uzohamba bafethu Aiden Makhadi bafethu equality leyana akutatazelwa bafethu bafethu kumangwa ngomqondo strategy and noma selithola ibhola bafethu akaqumuza ukuzothi phambili no angatataze phansi bafethu liyadlalwa ibhola hayi lo mfana bafana kule minyaka nawo bafethu 21 years of age yabo ukhalise fethu babakhe lo mdlali what I feel like usedlala ukudlula mina because they played iposition eyodwa wathi lo mfana ngathi kwamina useyangisaphasa hayi bafana le ntwana leyana inkinga bafana Aiden Makhadi hayi bafana ngiyantshela Aiden Makhadi bese siza komunye umdlali bafethu engazi ukuthi bafethu namcriticize but lo mdlali bafethu he plays mfethu a big role kwiKaizer which is Oxmthetho. Oxmthetho bafethu uyabona abalandeli abaningi bayamcriticize lo mdlali because he's not good mangabekiwa phambili but yabona when he's coming to stabilize the team makuthiwa nje stabilize the team bafethu makuthiwa nje ikhosi mhlambe leya leader mhlambe ngo2-0 noma ngo3-0 sinje 2 goals up noma 3 goals up siya leader that's when you introduce umthetho yes umthetho akayiqala igame ngeke ukuthi uqala igame sofuna ukustabilize sofuna ukuma no umthetho ukintroduce sesiwina yabo because mubheka kule game le bafethu uthenje ngene umthetho bafethu uyastabilize because iqiniso lihle bafethu bese attack iStellenbosch yo and angiphathe ngalesikhathi bafethu beqeda kuthola ired card siqeda ukora yo attack iStellenbosch angazi sizashaya ipala ngathi maka u2 win shaya ipali hayi bafana hayi Skeza attack ama Stellenbosch but mfethu the introduction of umthetho uOx bafethu understand irole kaOx bafethu kwiKaizer that guy fethu brings stability lapha yabo lapha nje iroad block leyana bafethu ya stabilize the team and right now he can even go forward yes akakabi intswempu ngaleyo ndlela but now you can see ukuthi he's pushing himself even nasejimini ukuthi uyafuna ukuya forward yabo la lekha khona bafethu quality yakhe uyayilungisa umthetho hayi mina ngiyamvuma bafethu umthetho and sizazomdinga umthetho bafethu siyodlala ngaphandle siyodlala bafethu kwiCAF Confederation Cup sizobadinga abadlali abanjengomthetho yabo abazostabilize lapha bekwazi mfethu ukuthi ibe stable i-team lapha esiswini yabo other than that bafethu hayi mina ngiyamvuma bafethu umthetho angiphathi ke phethulu ntonjana uNdlovu ekaNdlovu bafethu ngayisho ngathi la muntu mfethu akadinganga namagame amaningi to show himself that he's a quality yomdlali bafethu leyana quality yomdlali wangena kancane the time idlala kwi-preseason kwi-Toyota Cup, but you could see ukuthi lo mdlali bafethu is a quality. Hayi is a quality bafethu uNdlovu, and uLontunjana yes uyafana noMarty, is a hard worker, but okumnandi ngaye he's also smart. Yabona usmart ukudlula uMarty lo muntu. uMarty yes is was a hard worker, but he wasn't that smart uMarty bafethu. But uNdlovu yambona ukuthi usmart mfethu, is a ball player as much as a hard worker, but is also a ball player bafethu. Alaphana bafethu sithola umdlali. Yabo kuNdlovu ayisithola umdlali bafethu. Ungezwa ngabantu bethi iningi labantu bo Pirates noLontunjana bethi sithathe equality lamdlali bafethu. Mina ngiyantshela uNdlovu is a quality, siyibonele bafethu, siyibonele. Bese ngiza la bafethu Hlongwane. Abafana yabona uHlongwane bafana, ngiyantshela mina usazoba inkinga noHlongwane. Yabona uHlongwane usazokora bafana, and into enginothise ngaye bafethu uHlongwane, yes he's a striker, but he's also a ball player. He can create. La muntu uzambona ukuthi ama-assist, even ama-assist la muntu uzoba nawo. As much as ezoba nama-goal, but nama-assist uzoba nawo. He's not a striker. Le striker lesi esikwazi ukukora kuphela, just like Reyners. Reyners is not a ball player. Ukuthi nje nimenzele yonke into nimnike ibhola akore kuphela. But lwana uyambona ukuthi uHlongwane he can hold the ball. First touch yakhe intwana bafethu. Khohlwa. Ngizile kuthiwa ngazi bani Galaxy le team ade simfuna. Ingazosibhedela le team le. Ngizile mthisi ifuna uHlongwane. Ingazosibhedela le team le. Yenze kahle iCase yanqaba lapha. Ngiyezwa nje kuthiwa sekune team ifuna uHlongwane kanjani. Hlongwane akayindawo bafethu. I-diamond lethu lana. Yabo la muntu mina I feel like yes bamkhiphile namhlanje because igame ebese kumele sidlale they introduce uDupree, because mase kumele sidlala ama long ball. Yabo sifuna umuntu onespeed. Bese sidinga ama long ball because le team le ifuna ukulontunjana Stellenbosch, so bese sidinga ama long ball kakhulu. That's why they introduce uDupree. Yabo but nje ayilo amdlali mina bafethu namhla I felt like uyo bezokora. It was between him and Duba. Yabo uDuba ke wamisa a clear chance, but ke asikho lapho. But nje le ntwana bafethu Hlongwane kukhulu okuzayo lapha bafethu. Ngiyantshela Khosi Nation kukhulu okuzayo la mfana lwana. Yabona nje le nkinga ethi amagoli la mfana lwana mfethu usazoyilontuna, uzoyiqeda le nkinga leyana. Ngiyantshela bafethu, ngiyantshela nibheke lento noHlongwane. And then bafethu size kumuntu abaningi futhi kade bemdoubt bafethu. Namhlanje odlala mfethu indima enkulu kule game, which is uPeterson bafethu. Good. Mina bafethu, to be honest, I've never doubted uPeterson bafethu. uPeterson is a quality. The only thing abantu abade bemlontunjela uLontunjana uPeterson is just that wenza iphutha kwigame eyayibalekile. Yilapho abantu abaqala khona ukcriticize uPeterson. It's just because wenza iphutha kwigame eyayibalekile sasidinga kakhulu. Yabo, especially yabona uma uzoyenza iphutha sidlala neMamelodi Sundowns, noma uzoyenza iphutha sidlala nePirates. Ama-fans vele attack you. Kuzobe ngazathi uyinkomo bekcriticize. Yabo, even if you are a quality, just because wenze iphutha kulama game lawa amakhulu, you get criticized a lot bafethu. Yabo, uke waba namaphutha naye uPeterson. Yabo, uke waba namaphutha naye, but mfethu uPeterson is a quality. Mina ngikhumbula nje simthenga mfethu uPeterson, I was happy because ngiyamazi uPeterson, he's a quality bafethu uPeterson. He's a quality. Angiphathi manje njengoba esene defense. Ila uzombona khona, aboma ngoba esene defense uzombona uPeterson. Phela i-defense bafethu nayo iyamenza mfethu ukhipha ukuthi agqame. Buka la abo Ronza, abo Williams bane defense strong. That's why begqame kangaka. Abo Lontunjana, abo Sipho Chayini. Banosibisi, banombukazi lapha bane defense strong. Yabo manje noma naye esene defense lapha kumakhadi noLontunjana no Miguel nomunye esene defense ethe kuba strong. Uzombona uPeterson. Uzombona mfethu indlela azogqama ngayo. I can tell you mina, he can even make it kwi-squad. I'm telling you. If nje kungekho bias, la muntu mfethu uPeterson uyavimba bafethu, uyavimba uPeterson. Yabo, cela nje ukuthi simthembe mfethu uPeterson, siyeke lento yokufethu kumdawo. uPeterson bafethu yazi yamazi le ngimthanda ngayo la mdlali. uPeterson bafethu mina ngiyamthemba. Yabo, ngiyamthemba. Otherwise nje bafethu it was a good game, although bafethu sekukhona lapho kancane eshoda khona bafethu, especially kuma-goal bafethu. Yabona kuma-goal ngisakhala. I need to see ama-goal from i-build up. I need to see ama-goal from i-build up right now. I know sibe ne-set piece, sabuye sathole penalty. And then now I need ama-goals from si-build up. Siyoshaya nje i-goal straight without a set piece, without penalty, without what, without i-corner, at least i-corner, but leyo build up siyoshaya igoli. We still need that right now bafethu. We still need leyo nto bafethu kwi-Kaizer Chiefs. Other than this bafethu, amajita ayadlala bafethu, ayadlala amajita. And I like indlela alontunja ngayo, ashintsha ngayo ucoach lwana, yabo. Into ebuyishayo uNabi bafethu, uyaphuza ukushintsha abadlali. You can't tell me ukuthi ungashintsha umdlali ngo-78. Sekusele ama-minutes amancane, usazokwenzani lo mdlali bafethu? Ngo-78, ngo-80 minutes, uthi usazokwenzani lo mdlali loyo? Yabo nje u-Ox ngiyazi bezophuza umfaka uNabi, but uLontunjana usheshe wamfaka cause ubonile ukuthi we need uku-stabilize laphana because they were attacking us. Bafethu ngenye indlela. Bese siza Stellenbosch bengathi nakho bese kungathi ithina esishodayo, ngize ngathi ungathi hayibo, labantu kwayibona abashodayo kodwa ba-attack-a thina kakhulu. Ila ngithuke khona-ke, and then that's when they introduced u-Ox in second half. I was like, that's it. Kwangena noNdlovu bafethu, kwavele nje kwayi-combination emnandi. Otherwise bafethu, nice game. Khosi Nation, nice game bafethu. Ngicela bafethu ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe lapho bafethu, sinyuse i-page, ngiyanicela bafethu. Otherwise bafethu, ikhosi alipheli moya. See you on the next video bafethu. Ikhosi alipheli moya.